Some thousand birds were killed in few days. These are mostly migratory birds. This catastrophe caused due to hailstorm along with downpour of rain. The birds were living in Anurima Eco Park in Narail's Kalia upazila. The managing director of the Eco Park, Erfan Ahmed, said heavy rainfall with stormy wind and hailstorm lashed Narail like other parts of the country on Monday and yesterday. After the storm, they found carcasses of several thousand birds lying scattered in the park. The park authorities have gathered the dead birds and will bury those. Chairman of the Eco Park, Khabir Uddin Ahmed, said since 2004 different species of birds went to the park in October and stay there for around 8 months. After being announced a sanctuary, more and more birds are coming to the park. The death of these migratory birds is a huge loss for nature. Thanks for watching.